Okay everyone. Places people. Cue the Philips Interactive Media logo. Excuse me, Philips Interactive Media, but you were flipped on that take. Change it now. No, 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 no. That's not it. It's supposed to be normal, not comic book. Try it again from the top. Cue yourself. What the hell was that? You're not supposed to be blurry, you're supposed to be normal. This is your last chance. Screw up again and you're fired. Now, cue yourself. Okay guys. We got it right. Now you may return to your business.